Hey, I made 16 spreads for my patrons on Patreon in August. I'm going to show you each one in this video. If you're new to my channel, my name's Mary Ellen, and I teach you how to plan in creative and functional ways. Bumble is actually my dog. And every month I like to do these flip throughs because I do make a lot of spreads and I can't do a video for each one of them. But I just love looking at them all and showing them to you, seeing which ones might be your favorites. So let's jump right in, and we're going to start with one that is actually not a patron spread. It kind of is. Every month we have a live stream on my Patreon, and most of the time it's a plan with me. And during those live streams, I give away the spread. So I'm going to show you the spread that we made in this month's live stream. It is so cute. It was really difficult. The patrons voted on the sticker books, and I always have to combine 3 of them. So here's this spread. It is called Beer in Bloom, and if you know, you know. It's a private joke. But this combined cottagecore, florals, and it's really trying my memory. Cottagecore florals, mail call, and Paper Raven Company. And I really love the combo. It was touch and go, especially towards the end, but we made it work. And this spread was won by Andrea, so she's going to be getting that in the mail. Now we're going to go on to the spreads that I made for each person in my top tiers. Usually I start with Team Bumble, which is the highest tier on my Patreon. They get the custom spreads. I usually also organize it by layout, but this time I'm just going to show them to you. I don't know what's coming first. Okay, I have 2 spreads that use the new _Thing fall sticker book or seasonal sticker book. One is for Ellen and one is for Laura, and I'm going to show you both. So this is Ellen's spread. I call it All the Fall Things, and again, it was with that sticker book and the new _Thing washi tape. I think it's so cute and cozy. We have like little scenes here, people playing in the leaves and stuff. I just think it's adorable. I love this one. And then I made another one with the same sticker book for Lara. And this is also really cute. I added some of this like Argyle washi tape. I think it's really fun. And I call this one Warm and Cozy. So I hope both of them like these fall spreads. The next one is Wacky. This one's for Marisol. It's a big happy planner spread. And I decided to do something really, really different and put some washi tape out like all over the place. I call this one Crazy Washi. And I took some quotes from the Tim Holtz small quote sticker book. I love this. I know it's a risk. I know there's less room to plan, but I think this is so cool and different. And I hope Marisol really likes it. I had really a lot of fun doing this one. So I try to think up new ideas, and I'd never quite done anything like this before. So I was really kind of pleased with it in a weird way. The next spread is for Cindy. She's one of my top tier patrons on Team Bumble, and she requested a fall spread for the first week of fall. I used the Mega Seasonal sticker book from the Happy Planner for all of this, I think. I'm pretty sure it all came from there. And I put that big autumn sticker because the 23rd is the first day of autumn. And then I just doodled little lines around it for emphasis. I know this is super busy, but I really, really like it. I call it Autumn is Here, and I hope Cindy likes it. Oh, by the way, every month I do a little theme that ties all the spreads together. This month, I should have told you this in the beginning, but this month, each spread gets a little tiny smiley face that's hidden on the page. So you can look for that during this video. Some of them I might have missed, and I'm looking for it here. Uh-oh, did I forget this one? Oh no. I tried really hard to remember it for each one, but I think I forgot this one. So we're going to go ahead and add it, and I'll show you what I mean. Just a teeny tiny little smiley face somewhere. I'm going to put it right next to the mushroom. Do you see that baby smiley face? So that's what you can look for in these spreads. It's a little fun game. Once in a while, I like to hide things, you know? So there's Cindy's, but I think you guys can look for the other ones. I'm not going to point them out. This next one's for Gretchen. I used the Book Lovers sticker book by 𝘮𝘮𝘀𝘀, the newer one. because Gretchen does like to read. Oh, I have to write her a note there. But yeah, so she does like to read, so I made a spread all about reading for her. I named the girls Jolene and Francine. I don't know why. This is a video. I believe it's coming. And these shelves are for Gretchen to write the books that she has read that she really loves, or just color them in. So something reading like, or whatever Gretchen wants to do there. Did I say I call it Between the Lines? Anyway, it's called Between the Lines. By the way, most of these, if you use code BUMBLE10, you can get 10% off at most of these places. But also, I'm not going to link all the individual things in the description box, but there's like my general links down there, so you can check those out. I appreciate you using my links and my codes. It helps me out. The next one is for Alex on Team Bumble, and Alex asked for a first week of fall spread also, so this is for her. I really love this one. I wrote in the numbers of that week up at the top, and I call it Welcome Fall. I like these. They look like little fences, kind of. I don't know. I like the color combo of the blues and browns together. I think it's really pretty. Oh, and for this one, I used the seasonal teacher sticker book. Also, this washi tape came from Archer and Olive in one of their subscription boxes. And this one, I believe, came in a pack of plaid washi tape on Amazon. I'll try to link some of this stuff, but no guarantees. The next one is very happy and smiley. I call it Happy and Grateful. This is for Shirley, and I decided to just throw the boxes down all over the page just for something different. But then I kept the gold boxes straight and lined up because they weren't colorful. And I used Mega Planner Essentials for this one. All these stickers came from that. Really cute. I like this one. It's fun. This next one is one of my favorites this month. It is for Bev, and I call it Around Town. I don't know why, I just love this one so much. I decided to make like strips of washi, and then up here a little town, down here a little park or something with the trees. So we have stickers from Planything Houses and Trees, the autumn one that just came out. And then we have these stickers are all from 𝘮𝘮𝘳𝘮𝘬𝘪𝘢, I'm pretty sure. And they're kind of neutral and fun and sort of vintage looking. So I love this. I think it's really cute. I gave Bev a gratitude section on the side. Next one is for Kelly. This one is very delicate and florally. Wow, florally, that's not a word, but you know, delicate and pretty. I call it Peaceful Heart because it's very peaceful, and I used the 𝘮𝑓leur sticker book exclusively for this. I love these quotes. I think the quotes are really fun, and the color combo is pretty as well. We have a Disney spread next for Ellen. I have two Ellens. This is the second Ellen. And for this one, I used the Farmhouse Minnie and Mickey, and I combined it with the Dried Florals sticker book, that newer one. So I gave Ellen some big Minnie and Mickeys on here, and it's just sort of neutral. It felt fall-like to me, and I like it because of that. Like, it feels seasonal, but at the same time, it's Disney, and it's not too Disney in my opinion. I don't know. It really is, but you know what I mean. I added other stuff, and I know that Ellen does like Disney spreads, so that's why I did it, and I called it Best Friends. Okay, the next one's kind of crazy, you guys. Sometimes I feel like I need to branch out and really kind of do new things, and that's what I did here. So don't judge. This was a risk. I used the Posh Fall sticker book and Mega Pastels, and I went kind of crazy. This one's for Ashley. Oh, I forgot to write her name in. I probably also forgot the smiley face on this one. You see, I didn't do it in all of them, so don't rack your brain trying to see them all, when sometimes I might forget. Usually at the end, when I take pictures and then send these off, I make sure that I check to see if they all got that theme, and then check to see if they're all named, if they all have notes and stuff, if they want them. So that's what's happening. That's why I didn't do the smiley for this one yet. But anyway, I know this is wacky. I took some colored pencils and did scratchy boxes on here, and I don't know if I love it or hate it. I do know it's original. It's an original Planning with Bumble, Ashley, so I hope you love it. It's just different. I'm trying to, I don't know, maybe if I took, should I make a box around the inside? I'm gonna try it. I probably will hate it. I shouldn't say that. I might like it. I think I like it better. I don't know. I feel like it gives it more structure. Maybe. I think that's what the problem was for me with this, is that the boxes didn't have structure. They're kind of just loose. So I think I like this better. Let me know in the comments if you liked it better or not. I know this is not for everyone. I know this is wacky, but I think the patrons actually like it when I take risks and do weird stuff. So I hope Ashley likes it. Okay, I do like it better like that. So let me know what you think about this one. Did I tell you I called it Messy Fall Boxes? Yeah. This one's called Magical Forest, and I used the new Chic Fall sticker book. This one is for Denise, and I think this is really cute. Denise likes really whimsical spreads with whimsical stickers, and this is about as whimsical as you can get with these fireflies and the snail and the mushrooms and stuff. So this one was a little tricky, the color combo and everything, but I think I made it work. I love the addition of the plaid washi tape, so I hope Denise likes this one. Whoops. This next one is for Shannon, and this one's called Romantic Dogs. I used the Oh How Lovely sticker book for this that came out in on Valentine's Day of last year, and it's not just for Valentine's Day though, so I feel like this is pretty generic. It's not too Valentine-y, but I wanted to give Shannon like a bright and fun spread this month, and I used this page which had the bright stripes in the middle, so I felt like I needed to pull those colors in as well. So yeah, Romantic Dogs, because Shannon has dogs. The next one is for Bobby. And Bobby does like Disney princess spreads, and I don't know that I've ever made one for her. I'm not sure, but I call this Once Upon a Time for obvious reasons, and it's a Snow White spread. This was a little tricky just because a lot of the pictures seem to be kind of the same, but I think I pulled it off pretty well. And I only used 2 of the pictures that were the same, I think, but I love this washi tape. You can tell I used it 2 times this month. I forget where I got it, so I can't help you out there, but I do love that. And I taped a couple of the boxes to the page. So I hope Bobby likes it. I think it's a nice fall color combo. I love this next one so much. This is for Donna, and I call it Browns and Blues. And I love doing monochromatic spreads or 2 color spreads. And this one was sort of unexpected for me. I used these stickers from Planet Darby, and then I used, what did I use? Oh, the Dried Floral sticker book for these browns. And I think I made it work. I just love this color combo. It's very like early 2000s, you know what I mean? But I think it's really cool. So I hope Donna likes it. And then I have one more to show you, and that is for Megan. Megan is a Team Bumble member, and she asked me to do a first week of fall spread, and I went really stickery with this one for her, and I combined the Amber Allure sticker book with Chic Fall. So Wrong Wrong and Live Love Posh are on here, and then I took some boxes from, I think, Mega Seasonal sticker book. I didn't write it down, but I'm pretty sure they're from that. I love this. It is very stickery, but I think it's very fall, like traditional fall spread. And she did ask for a spread. Oh, this is a video coming up too. She did say the theme was It's Fall Y'all, so I took that to mean the first week of fall, but I did find this It's Fall Y'all sticker. So I think that works, and I call it It's Fall Y'all for obvious reasons. Okay, so let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite or your top 3. I'm gonna go ahead and show them to you again. really quick as I do at the end of these videos. And I'm always curious to see your favorites. I don't ever want to tell you my favorites because then I feel bad for the people who don't get my favorites. But I think you can kind of tell when I'm going through them which ones are my favorites, right? So I do have favorites every month. I just don't want, you know, I'm trying to be nice. Okay, so we have It's Fall Y'all, Browns and Blues, Once Upon a Time, Romantic Dogs, Magical Forest, Messy Fall Boxes, Best Friends, Peaceful Heart, Around Town, Happy and Grateful, Welcome Fall, Between the Lines, Autumn is Here, Crazy Washi, All the Fall Things, and Warm and Cozy. All right, thank you guys so much for watching today, and I hope you guys have a great day, wonderful week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.